Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video. Viewers, in this video I bring most amazing collection of chicken wire ghost ideas. In this video I will show you chicken wire ghost ideas for upcoming Halloween ideas, Halloween ghost ideas, how to decorate ghost with chicken wire. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my video till end. If you are a new viewer on my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Viewers, if you have any query or any demand, then tell us on comment section. We will try to fulfill your demands. Viewers, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, I really hope you enjoyed my video. As you can see, these all are very beautiful ideas for Halloween. Viewers, thank you so much for watching my full video.